Hi friends! Hi YouTube! If you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. I love fun, bright, colorful makeup. If you haven't subscribed already, you should. Okay, you should. I would love for you to. If you do, you do. If you don't, you don't. It is what it is. I enjoyed it so much time together. I got my hair did. And I'm looking like a boss bitch. And I played with some makeups. The Nomad Verona Love and Death Mera Morte palette, which looks like this. Ugh. That I actually got from Jan, so shout out to Jan. I love you and I adore you, and yeah. But if you would like to see how I got this stunning look right here and just see me absolutely fun and fall in love with myself throughout this video, then let's get into it. Hello. Good morning. I barely got any sleep last night, so that's fun. We're gonna put an ice mask on because, you know, I need it right now. But welcome to hair day. I thought I'd bring you with me if I can for a little bit, or just kind of like prepare you that I'm gonna be dyeing my hair today. It's gonna be different. I'm not gonna be blonde anymore. I'm excited. As much as I've been loving the blonde, like, I just really, that's nice. I need a change. Okay, like, can we even take me seriously with this on? I can't. But yeah, it was time for a change. A really big, desperate change, and I'm excited. I feel like that just made me like 1,000 times more sleepy. But yeah, I hope you're excited for the new hair, because I'm excited for the new hair. If you don't know this about me, I love changing my hair up. I freaking love dyeing my hair. I feel like it's a lot just like makeup where you can just, you know, change it up all the time. It's just hair, you know. I hate the people that have always been like, oh, you have such pretty hair. And I'm like, yeah, but it could be prettier, okay? It could be prettier. And that's what we're doing today. So, hold on to your little butts. We about to level the fuck up.
2 hours later.
Y'all, okay, so it is just a little bit purple at the moment, but after my next wash, it'll go, like, away. So I'll give you the 360. Oh my god. Okay, say, ready? Per effing usual, my girl Erin consistently always just blows my mind with how well she can just nail out my envision for my hair. Like, this is stunning. So I'm thinking. Okay, my original plan was for the Nomad Verona Mera Morte Love and Death palette, this one right here, right, okay. But I'm thinking we're doing a little bit of that because there is a little bit of purple. Maybe I'll just keep it with the pink, whatever, my original plan. But I might just throw in a little bit of this Giggle shade from the Blend Bunny, from the Blend Bunny Blends palette, just because I think like that's gonna work. Or if we really want to just stay true to Nomad, I could do like something from the Tokyo palette. So, okay, I'll take that out. I love it so much. I love it so freaking much. Okay, but I need to show you the things that I got myself for Black Friday. I got the Blend Bunny Juicy Cheeks face palette. You already saw that in my last video. It looks like this. I've wanted this for so long. I got it. Then I got, the rest of this is Glam Light. This is the Margarita palette. This isn't one that I've wanted for a really long time, but it was really cheap and I was like, that's really pretty. I want it. So it went into cart. And then these next two I've wanted for such a long time. These are the Scooby Doo palettes. I don't like how the big one of theirs looks, but these are just so pretty and I'm so excited to be doing videos on these at some point. This is the one that I wanted like the most. And then last but not least, I got the ice cream palette. I'm keeping the big box that it came in. Let me show you. Because I love it. Like, this is so cute. It came in this, right? Okay, so it looks like this. Like, it is so gorgeous. It is so pretty. I'm so excited to use this at some point. As always, I'm going to be priming my eyes with the REM Beauty concealer in Fair to End, and then setting it with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Translucent Powder. And maybe putting on some Rhode Peptide Lip Treatment in the Strawberry Glaze. I kind of want to put the Salted Caramel one on. I finally finished one. But these are so good. I can't stop staring at my hair. Oh my god. So I'm thinking I kind of want to start with this pink shade right here called Paradise. And then I think going in with this shade Dagger afterwards for the crease action. I'm going to be taking my Refer 14, taking that pink Paradise shade to begin with, tapping out the excess and just plopping it in here. Oh, hair days are my absolute favorite. Just like sitting there having my hair played with. The best part though is when you get your hair washed. That is the best part of having, like... Oh, hi Bob, I didn't even realize you were in here. But the best part is like when they're running their fingers and their nails through your hair. It's literally the best. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this like mauve purple shade right here called Dagger on a Refer 13, and then popping that into the crease right here and blending that up into the pink. You know what? I was like trying to put together what like this part like really reminded me of, and it's reminding me of the Henry Cavill character from The Witcher. I can't remember his name. Is it like Gerald something? That's what my hair is reminding me of right now. I'm gonna go in with the shade right here called Dark, this like burgundy lovely goodness. Still in with that Refer 13 and popping that into here and then here, and then I'm gonna go in with a darker black. If I'm gonna have hair like a witch, I'm gonna look like a witch, you know? Okay, so this is where I'm at right now. I'm loving it. I still really want to just stay in this palette though, like as much as I want to use like the blends and the other Nomad palette and the pistachio. I think I might just stay with the Nomad. What's this one? Because I'm loving it. What are we thinking though? What are we thinking? I'm kind of feeling that blue right there, but I also feel like I've done this look before. But I'm kind of feeling that. Because I am going to work after this. And I do have blue in my sweatshirt, so that would kind of pull it all together. But I think I'm going to still go in with that Refer 13 and go in with a little bit of that shade right there called Zool, I think is how you say it. Okay. Tapping off the excess and reddening up right here. Drag it forward a little. Also, I don't know if I said this in the video before, but I'm going to be doing a video towards the end of the year of all the books that I've read, if you're interested. I read pretty weird books and mostly paranormal. But yeah, I think I'm going to rank them too. I'm loving this. I'm loving this. But I am going to go in still with that Refer 13 just because it's working for me right now. And I'm going to go in with the black shade called Death. Just taking a little, I don't need a lot, and just deepening this out. And I'm going to go in with my Refer 15 and just sort of blend the edges out. Not a lot, but, you know. What are we thinking for this space? Like, I can't tell. I'm kind of liking it how it is, and I want to keep it light. So do we do like a pink shimmer? Do we go in with this gold? I don't know. I kind of wish there was like a whiter-ish shimmer in here. You know? Do I have a white shimmer in my collection? You know where? No, that one's silver though. We can still do that. I'm thinking there's like a mix of this shade right here called Confetti and that one right there called Milky Way from the Jade Beauty Bay palette, which by the way I sat on, which is why I keep the screen protectors on, because, well, protectors, whatever they are. But I think I'm gonna do a mix of this and this for the eye. So I'm gonna go in with my Refer 21. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to spray it or not, but I am taking it out just in case. I'm gonna start with that gray confetti shade. I'm gonna pop that right here. Okay, so I am going to go back in with that Refer 13 and just sort of blend this part out a little. I feel like I need to stop saying Refer because, like, we already know that's the only brushes that I'm using. But I'm going back in with just a little bit more of the confetti shade, just because they're uneven. But now I think I'm going to go in with that Milky Way. It is like a white-ish shimmer with a pink undertone. I'm going to be popping that right here. Just right over that. Okay. So I think I'm going to go in with this Refer 23. And I'm going to go in still with that Black Death shade. And just bring it along here, you know? I'm not good with liner, but then I'll smoke that up into there. I'm not good with liner, and I don't really want to have liner, but I want to, like, you know, smoke it out. So I'm going to go in with my Refer 15 and just, you know. So I'm going to go put my face on. I'll come back for blush, lip, highlight, all that goodness. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Dash is leaving me after he just licked his butthole and then left. So, yeah. I'm loving my hair right now. I'm loving how I look. Once I started putting my makeup on, I was like, oh, like when this is back, I was like, oh, I kind of look like Emily Clark's character from Game of Thrones. So there's that. I did put a little bit of these, oh, I have to sneeze, of the Paradise shade and the Dagger shade down here. Okay. For blush, we're gonna go in with the Juicy Cheeks, obviously. I'm thinking, just to keep with the tones, we're gonna go with this shade right here called Raw. Popping it right here. Oh, y'all don't even know. Like, I feel so pretty right now. Oh, look at the clown blush. We love it. 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 Okay. I'm going to take just a little bit of this and just sort of, you know. I don't think I've looked better in my entire freaking life. Like, my God. Also, I did put more black up here because I wanted to cover up the glue for once in my life instead of having the glue, like, be there. I'm thinking... Obviously, we gotta do highlight before we move on to anything else. So, obviously, we already know, okay? We don't even gotta know, okay? We don't even gotta say anything. And we already know it's gonna be the pink one. Like, the only one that has a pan in it. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. We're just gonna keep putting it on. And to think men fumble the shit out of me. I look this freaking pretty. You know, I will say though, I need more men to keep fumbling me though, because I always have a glow up afterwards. So, you know, what do I really need? A man, or to look extremely pretty and be better than everybody else? You know, right? I think I need to put a little sun for my underbrow. Still gonna go on with that pink, you know. And I think just because we're gonna go in with a little bit of Far Out and Phenomenal, the purple and pink shade, and just pop a little, you know, a little sun. Are you guys gonna be really proud of me because I'm not even gonna put something in here? I don't think. Maybe a little bit of the pink. Yeah, okay. Me, I'm not gonna do something and then like immediately does it. Are we thinking my go-to for the lip, or like what are we thinking here? You know, my go-to has been this NYX liquid suede cream lipstick in Sandstorm with a mix of this Revlon Super Lustrous lipstick in Violet Frenzy. Because I am going to work in this, so I don't want to like go too harsh, but I'm also like bringing on, you know. Oh my god. Y'all, I look fucking hot. I look so good. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at me. Look at me. Just look at me. I look so good. This makeup is stunning. This hair is stunning. I'm stunning. What the hell? What the hell? Oh my god. Okay. I can't even with myself right now. I can't. Oh my fuck. Okay. I can't stop staring at myself in the mirror. Oh my god. Okay. I gotta stop looking at myself. Gotta move the mirror. Okay? I literally moved it so I can't look at myself. But oh my god, we gotta stop talking about me, okay? We gotta stop talking about me. Even though it's my channel and it's about me. We're gonna stop, okay? We need to stop. We need to stop. Okay, but if you made it to this point of the video, thank you so much for watching. I truly do appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed me just absolutely falling in love with myself, you know. Not that I already wasn't. I've leveled up in life. I've leveled up, okay? It needed to happen. But thank you so much for watching again. A couple things before you go though. Remember to take care of yourself, to drink enough water, to eat enough food, to not be such a people pleaser, okay? People are not that good enough for you to be pleasing them and not doing things for yourself, okay? Okay. And remember to not be a piece of shit. Don't be homophobic. Don't be transphobic. Don't be racist. There's so many better things to be doing with your time, your money, your energy. I understand that you don't like it. I understand that you don't understand it. But sorry. It's how life is. Stop being a bigot. And if you are a bigot, just know that you aren't allowed here. We don't like your kind here. Go away. Ew. Go. Go away. And remember to take in actual factual information. There's a lot of propaganda, a lot of bull going on. So just remember to take in the right things, the right information. Again, thank you so much for watching. I truly do appreciate it. And so remember to take care of you, do good to you, be good, do good. Remember to drink enough water. And I can't wait to see you guys next time.